Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Azure Load Balancer health probes for VMs, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Azure Load Balancer health probes for virtual machines, begin by logging into the Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Load Balancer section in the left sidebar. Locate and select the load balancer you wish to verify. In the Load Balancer menu, find the Settings section and click on Health Probes. This will display a list of all health probes configured for your load balancer. Select the specific health probe you want to verify. Review the configuration details such as the protocol, port, interval, and unhealthy threshold. Ensure the probe settings align with your application requirements. Next, check the backend pools associated with the load balancer. Make sure the virtual machines listed are correctly configured to communicate over the specified probe port. To assess the health status of the VMs, go back to the Load Balancer menu and select Backend Pools again. Click on the backend pool linked to the health probe. Examine the health status of each virtual machine listed. A green checkmark indicates that the VM is healthy and responding to the health probe. If any VMs show a red cross, investigate further. Go to the Virtual Machines section and select the VM displaying an unhealthy status. Check the network security group settings for the VM. Ensure that inbound rules allow traffic on the probe's port. Next, verify the VM's firewall settings to confirm they permit incoming probe traffic. If the VM is running a service, ensure that the service is up and listening on the correct port. After making any adjustments, return to the Azure portal and refresh the health status of the load balancer. Wait for a few minutes to allow Azure to re-evaluate the health of the VMs. Check the health status once again for any changes. If problems persist, consider reviewing the application logs to diagnose any underlying issues. Continue to monitor the health probe results and adjust configurations as necessary for optimal performance. This completes the verification process for Azure Load Balancer health probes for virtual machines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.